We are going to discuss rational numbers. Example 10. Show that 5 minus root 3 is irrational. Show that 5 minus root 3 is irrational. So let us proceed. So let us assume. So let us prove this by contradiction method. Let us prove this by a contradiction method. Excuse me. So let us assume. See here, let us assume let us assume 5 minus root 3 is rational. 5 minus root 3 is rational. That means 5 minus root 3 is equal to, we can write a by b, no, as a co-primes, no, because rational number means we can write in the form of p by q. P and q are integers where q not equal to 0. The same way here a comma b are integers. A comma b are integers where b is not equal to 0. A comma b are integer, b not equal to 0. So now let us root 3 will bring it that side. This will bring it to this side. This will bring it to this side. This will bring it to this side. That means root 3 is equal to, root 3 goes. That means 5 minus a minus b when it comes this side, minus a by b. Now let us simplify. B is LCM 5b minus a. It is root 3. Root 3 equal to, we are getting 5b minus a by b. 5b minus a by b. But you see, 5b minus a by b, this is the rational. It is in the form of p by q, no? That is, 5b minus a by b is a rational. Is a rational number. But root 3 already we have proved this is irrational. This is irrational. But this is we are getting, it is rational. This is rational. Then how irrational will be is equal to rational? This is irrational number and this is rational number. How rational will be is equal to, how irrational number will be equal to rational? So this contradiction, this contradicts the fact. So, but irrational, how it is equal to rational? So that's why that, but this contradicts the fact that root 3 is irrational. We have assumed 5 minus root 3 is rational. It is coming a wrong equation. Irrational equal to rational. So that means our assumption is wrong, that 5 minus root 3 is rational. Then we have assumed 5 minus root 3 is rational, it is wrong. Then 5 minus root 3 is irrational. Therefore 5 minus root 3 is irrational. Okay, so simultaneously, so let us do the 11th one on the other side. See like this. So 11th one, show that 3 root 2 is irrational. Show that 3 root 2 is irrational. So let me sharp the pencil and coming. Yes. See, show that 3 root 2 is irrational. So let us continue. See. So let us assume 3 root 2. Let us assume 3 root 2 is rational. Let us assume 3 root 2 is rational. Let us assume 3 root 2 is rational. That means any rational number we can write in the form of p by q or a by b. Here where a comma b are integers, then b is not equal to 0. A comma b are integers, b is not equal to 0. That means that is according to the given logic we have written. So now what we do is root 2 is equal to a by 3, it will go down, a by 3b. Root 2 equal to a by 3b. You see here a by 3b is a rational. You see here, since a and b are integers, no, we have already written. Then it is in the form of e by q, means both are rational. This fraction itself a rational number. So that is a by 3b is a rational number. Now you see here also root 2 already we have proved it is irrational number, but this is rational. This is irrational number, this is a rational number. Then how an irrational number will be is equal to rational number? So but this contradicts the fact, but this contradicts the fact that, but this contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational. Root 2 is already irrational, but how that will be equal to rational? Root 2 is irrational. Root 2 is irrational. Because here it is coming root 2 is equal to what? Rational. Here it is coming root 2 is equal to rational. How root 2 will be irrational? But root 2 is irrational? No. Already we have proved. Therefore, 3 root 2 is irrational. All the best. Thank you.